Hey, this is Ben with Property Care Systems, and today I'm just over at a past customer's house that we're checking out some new work, and I thought I'd do a little walkthrough of, we're about a year after we built this one, so let's check it out. So this was a 75% backyard remodel. Stamped concrete was here. We added the paver pad for the hot tub. All the ground cover material. Put in all the hostas and the daylilies and this little Japanese maple here. All of these giant boulders here are native. They come out of the ground anytime you try and dig. That little wall right there was here when we got here. We put in the pavers, gas line for the fire pit over here. So this is a super cool modern fire pit from Woodland Direct. It's a prefab unit. Some trees, and we built the shade structure and the outdoor kitchen. It's kind of, I don't know, on the rustic side of things. So the kitchen islands here, they're just redwood with Thompson's water sealer for a top, and the steel is Corten steel, and see how it's starting to rust there. Eventually, probably by January, all of this steel will be rusty brown, patinaed. Got the blaze grill, refrigerator, and then just the bar island. I really like these shade structures. We build them out of whole cloth, out of frame and grade lumber. They're 50% shade. If you don't need a solid roof, I think this is the next best thing. And then we got the putting green over here. And this little patch of grass over here is to chip off of onto the putting green. So, you know, at the risk of chipping into your windows or over your guests, it's pretty awesome. What we're talking about for projects this year is we got some space that's not really being utilized over here, right here. Pretty good slope to deal with though. The request was maybe to add some more green to the yard and a spot that could be, you know, more of a sunny, throw some lounge chairs out area. So what we're talking about doing is cutting the shelf down about 2 feet right here, pushing a lot of that dirt down, and then down here have another shelf, basically creating a flatter terrace in the middle, covering that with artificial turf, and then potentially 3 or 4 posts for sunshade sails. So get a quote going on that. Hopefully I show you a construction video of that here in the next month. Anyways, this is a remodel that we did last year. I think between the outdoor kitchen, the shade structure, the putting green, just general landscaping, ton of excavation on this one. This was close to a 6-figure project, probably in the 90s. That shade structure over there, that is 16 by 16. Don't tell anyone. We're probably supposed to keep that to about 200 square feet, but something like that shade structure goes for about 11,000. A kitchen like this, there's a million variables that go into kitchens, but call this one about 25. A fire pit with a gas line like that, it'd be probably circa 7,500. And then a putting green like this, something that's maybe 17 by 30 at the most, 3 holes, a little bit of fringe, something like that, give or take, probably around 13,000, 14,000. Anyways, this is what we got. This is what it looked like when we were scraping the old landscape off and starting fresh. So, like I said before, nothing but boulders in this ground. As you'll see here where we're trenching for our gas line, we had to dig around some of the boulders in the ground. Obviously all of this got buried properly in the right sand. And then here's pergola construction and back to the finished product. Really comfortable backyard. If you'd like to find out if we'd be a good fit to help you with your next backyard or landscaping project, please give us a call. Phone number is 775-750-7251. And let's start it off with a phone conversation. Thank you.